The Anchor Integrated Manufacturing System, AIMS, is a holistic solution for your end-to-end tool manufacturing challenges, improving your factory's output efficiency and quality, automating manual tasks so that your people can focus on real value-add activities, and giving you the data that enables continuous improvement efforts. From blank to finished tool, AIMS connects discrete process steps with mobile automation supported by integrated data flow to your factory database systems. With its modular solutions, AIMS grows with your needs, giving flexibility to target areas of your production that you identify will benefit the most, or be deployed to your wider production process to realise the maximum benefits of a connected production system. AIMS. Connect, automate, create.